So what's going on, y'all? Back at y'all with another video, people. Aquí estamos ahora, mi gente. We out here in Baytown today. Another unit. We're with a Toyota unit. Had come last week. Friday I came and checked these units out. The client said that the units were basically having trouble running. So I had to check and do a diagnostics. I checked out so I could see the cap. The rotor is very bad in there. So I checked all that out. The distributor cap is just bad in here. Just filthy. I told the client that he needed a tune-up, a PM on these units. So I'm out here doing these units right now. I'm out here in Baytown, people, getting this stuff done. Taking off the drain. Got that oil draining already. So yeah, people, let's get it. There's another video for y'all. Hopefully y'all like this video. Let's go. So people, finally, ya le puse el rotor nuevo, limpié ahí poquito ahí adentro, porque estaba lleno de mucho mugrero. Put the new spark plugs too. But I put the new oil filter, transmission filter. I just gotta proceed to put the distributor cap in the spark plugs and replace the LP filter right here. Let's get it, people. Vamos a agarrarlo. Vamos a pasar estas cositas. So aquí estamos, mi gente, con la segunda unidad. There's a second unit, y'all. It's another forklift, another Toyota that does the same process. Switch out this spark plugs, wires, spark plugs, distributor cap, rotor, the LP tank filter, the oil filter, the filter for the transmission, and gotta replace that fitting, the O-ring on that fitting because it's leaking. So yeah, people, let's get it. Let's go, people. So my people, ya que sí, como miran ustedes, este O-ring de la transmisión estaba liqueando. Que vaya, se alcanza a ver ahí mero. Estaba liqueando porque el O-ring está tostado, se echó a perder, está bien duro, se quebró. Como miran ustedes ahí, ahí se mira donde está, se quebró. Aquí tenemos el nuevo. Vamos a reemplazarlo y hay que ponerlo. So, mi raza, mi gente, mira, ahí está ya el forklift listo. Trae todo nuevo. Distribuidor, el rotor, bujías, cables, filtro del tanque, filtro de la transmisión y el fitting nuevo ahí. Estaba liqueando, está liqueando ahorita. Está el forklift ahorita corriendo. Aquí tengo todas las partes que se cambiaron. Está todo. Está el foco ya prendido.